Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today, and thank you for joining me in Pootles Advent Countdown. 24 projects coming out to you, 2 a week, all the way through and into December. We've had a bunch, we've got a load to come. And today I have Christmassy fragranced Yankee candles in a Christmassy box. Now, I can't remember the one that's in there. I want to say it's a perfect tree. I think that's the one, but it's this sort of a pattern. And this one I've got is red apple wreath. Old fragrances, these are the ones that you can pick up quite cheap, unless you like me and you're a Yankee devotee and you have to have the latest one, and I will be shopping soon. But in here you can actually fit 2, but you can't really close it very well, and I like the fact that there was just 1 in there. Perfect gift. Okay, and you can tell it's winter. I've got my woolly jumper on today. It's cold. I'm a bit like this in my house. Okay, piece of paper that's 7 3/4 by 7, no, try that again. 7.5 by 7.5 inches, 19 by 19 centimetres. And where's my scoring doodah? Oh, it's moved. No, it's not, it's hiding. On the first side, score it at 1 3/4, 3.5, 5 1/4, and 7 inches. And in metric, that's 4.9, 4.5, 9, 13.5 and 18, and then turn it round and score it on the second side at 1 3/4, which is 4.5 centimetres. Then turn it over so that you can get the nice pretty pattern on the other side and score it at 6.5 inches, which is 16.5 centimetres. Okay, let me scooch that out of the way. Right. Grab my bone folder, and we're going to do the full score lines where you've got 4 of them first. Red apple wreath, lovely fragrance. If you haven't come across it, it's amazing. Winter, I'm sure it's called Winter Garden or Christmas Garland, something like that. I'm not really a fan of the pine fragrances, not fake pine fragrances. Give me a real tree any day, although I do have fake trees. But I came across it last year and it's just amazing. And then I came across the giant candles, which in the UK, the really big ones cost about £23, £24 each. Picked up a bunch for £6. So they were less than the small jar price. Okay, so I folded the bottom, and then where we put this short score line in, fold it over so it goes the other way, because that's the bit that's going to wrap around. Now this pattern doesn't go quite as well as that one, which seemed to go, but you know, we'll not worry. Right, where's my scissors? Okay, so bits to snip. Oh, are you going to see? There's a little skinny rectangle down on one side. Cut that one away. And then cut straight up those score lines. I think my scissors are a bit sticky. So you see the other day when I showed you all the pairs of scissors. That would be me. Okay, I'm going to stick this bit down, so I'm going to get my tearing tape. And then gently fold it over. You might need to reinforce the score lines a little bit. More likely on this one. Okay, and then run some adhesive down this bit, which has got the tab where we cut the wedge away. How has a dimensional backing got on my desk when I haven't worked with them? Anybody else have them wandering around the house? I think I've hoovered in my office, and then I see them trailing down the hall. Apparently I don't hoover all that well. Right, fold in your 2 sides and the back, glue on here, and close it all up. Now I wish I had a second candle. Maybe I have got a second candle to show you that you can fit 2 in. I have. Here's another one. What fragrance is that? Oh, Christmas cookie. So you can fit 2 in, it's just not going to close. You could put a little handle on it, but I'm going for just the one. and I'm pushing so that it flattens at that point. Oh, actually, you know what? That is quite pretty. I might not close it up completely. I quite like that top. That's my original top. Quite like that one. Right, so we've got these lovely clips that came, and they are, there's a star and there's a Christmas tree in each of them. I don't know which I'm going to go for just yet. Let's have a look. See what the Christmas tree is like. Actually, that's quite nice. Quite like that. Oh, I forgot to get my ribbon out. Here we go. So this is, I want to say it's mixed satin. Yes, mixed satin. Tie it up and tie a nice pretty bow. Or any kind of bow if you like me. One that will tie and stay shut. You know, I'd swear tying bows is a bit like touch typing. If you think about it, you can't do it, but if you don't think about the typing, you can. So I reckon I ought to chatter when I'm tying bows, and then I can do them. See? Look. Okay. Those are not good scissors, are they? Let's try these ones. That's better. Right, and then just a little, yeah, I quite like it being a bit open like that. That's different. It's different. I like different. Okay, so I've got the Christmas Traditions punch box. Well, the stamp set, and I've got the punch. It does come with inks as well. And we've got Peace and Joy, Jingle All the Way, Sending Christmas Wishes, Merry and Bright, Have a Jolly Christmas, and Let Heaven and Nature Sing, which is that one that I put on before because I was kind of going nature and, you know, there's pine needles and what have you, but I'm going to go with Peace and Joy this time. Let's grab a block. What block is this one? A B block. If you haven't stocked up on blocks, our blocks are really nice to get hold of. The reason I say that is because everybody who shops with me, you know just how much stamping I do. I create almost 200, did I wibble that? I did a bit. Almost 200 thank you cards every single month that all require stamping. Is it me, or does that not look very real red? We'll go with it. Yeah, so I do a lot of stamping, and now sometimes I use my stamp creators. Sometimes, a lot of the time, I actually freehand stamp. And freehand stamping that many cards takes an awful lot out of you. So, sprig punch now. I like our blocks because your hands don't actually hurt at the end of it. There's nothing worse than painful hands. Okay, Wink of Stella. And I'm just going to glitter up the ends of the sprig. I will bring them up a bit closer so you can see in a second. Oh, blimey, only 8 minutes. I thought I'd been going for 15 then. You can see that twinkling, so I've got my spotlight right ahead. Love it. So yeah, our blocks, absolutely worth every single penny. They're not the most expensive on the market, they're not the cheapest on the market. In my totally biased opinion, they are the best, and it's because they've been ergonomically designed that you can get hold of them and do a lot of stamping without it being painful. And obviously there's all sorts of different sizes, so this is a good hand size if you're doing a lot. The really big ones, we've got all the sizes, all sorts of sizes. Love them. Right, let me finish this off before I chatter on anymore. But yeah, seriously, put blocks, a handful of blocks in your basket. If you're unsure which size is best, ask me and I'll let you know. Or which ones you'll get most use out of. So I'm just putting my little red sprigs there. And then onto the front, Peace and Joy. Cute little gift. Very, very sweet. Twinkling away. Hopefully you can see it twinkling. Great for a craft fair. Oh, you can pick up last season's candles really, really cheap at all sorts of outlets, including the Yankee shop itself. Amazon, very good. I believe there's a Yankee candle outlet in Cheshire Oaks in Cheshire. Don't quote me on that, I don't live near there anymore. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.